What's up, my groomers? My name is Scott Barnes with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and today I want to talk about this back neck area and how it's really destroying and keeping your beard from its full potential. Now, with the facial hair game, we're going to be getting hairs growing everywhere in between and some places that we really don't want it to grow. Now, one specific spot is an area I see time over time get neglected and unfortunately causes a really big disruption in the look and the beard game and how everything grows around our face. Now, the reason why I'm bringing up this topic, as we look onto one another, we really can see of what things are kept or unkept. We did a video a few days ago about this area in particular, the jawline, and how that can actually make your beard look unkept. And one area in particular, behind the neck, right here on the side, is one of the biggest telltale signs that you missed a haircut, if you missed a beard trim, and overall is a very unprofessional, unkept, untidy look. So let's fix it. Now, this area can start being predominant when you're about 4 or 5 days after a cut or a shave. So I recommend getting yourself a nice razor and a pair of clippers. That way we can clean everything up. So use your lines that we need if you need some sort of tool or trick. For me, I just use my finger, and then we're gonna go ahead and create that line and clean that area up. Let's just get into it. So we're gonna use our lines. The first one we're gonna use is our sideburn line. We're gonna go all the way down here. And then we're gonna use the back of our neckline back here. All this area right here needs to be cleaned up. So we're gonna do the same on the other side. Use your sideburn, the back of your neck, that line right there, and we're gonna shade that spot. And that's pretty much it. It's a simple process, something that you can learn over time, but it does give you an overall good look. But overall, this is gonna give you a nice clean edge on your sideburn and your neck. And that presents you as a nice, well, clean kept groomer. Now, as you guys can see, I am just all over the place here. So let's do something fun. 3, 2, 1. And that's all it takes. Pay attention to those details. They really can go a long way. And that's what we like to do here at Volt. Not only is it all about beard, but it's just trying your personal best to be all you can be. With that being said, you guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.